I love these DIY dog bone shaped Christmas stockings I made a few years ago, but this year I want to update them and I'm going to try doing a no-sew version. I started with a pattern that I made myself, just using a bowl and a ruler. You can cut this out on any paper. Then I pinned it to the fabric. I chose this really cute teddy bear fleece. I cut it out, and then I cut a second one because you need two for this. I'm using liquid stitch, so you do not have to sew this. This is my first time using it. You have to press it and let it sit for 30 minutes to dry. While that is drying, I made a little ornament hang tag using felt and acrylic paint and an acrylic paint pen to write out the name. It turned out so cute, and the liquid stitch worked. So I punched a hole in my stocking and my ornament, and it's ready to hang. I put some tissue paper in so that it looks nice and not floppy. And I think Bert loves how his stocking turned out. Of course, Lucy got her own too. I would never leave her out. Now tell me, which do you like better, the old version or the new version?